What's going on YouTube? Modeling that back at you. I have for your reviewing pleasure today the print scale 1/72 A-10 Thunderbolt IIs. These are from Desert Storm, so let's open it up and see what the sheet comes with. You guys might have seen I also have uploaded a few other print scale decal options in 72nd, so this is an example, or I'm sorry, 48th. This is an example of what you could expect from a 72nd scale sheet. So, start off with, again, all of these are going to be based in Saudi Arabia through Desert Storm. So, we have Stephanie and Bayou Babe, which was from the 926 Tactical Fighter Group, based originally out of New Orleans. We have the Cajuns. We have the Falcons, or MB, so this one's from Myrtle Beach. Another one here from the Falcons group. Then have Honey Buns, which is from the 353rd, again based out of Myrtle Beach. And Alligator. Next you have a couple of test camouflage options that the 349th Wing did in 1995. So experimental dark camo, dark earth, and sand. And then kind of, to me, going back, really harkening back to the German camo of World War II with these two. Again, the camouflage exercise during Jaws. And this one was from Jaws 2 back in that one's from 1978, this one from 1977. A couple more here. Get the standard gray schemes. This one is from Pakistan in 02. So we do get a couple of modern birds as well. An 81st in June of 03. And then the 75th Fighter Squadron in February of 05. Continuing on with kind of the 1991 actual Desert Storm era. So I'll let you guys kind of read through. And then the basic markings. So again, stencil data, warning data, all of the basic information is on here. It does have some additional markings. Again, calling out what decals kind of go where, but it doesn't have it printed on here as to what those decals actually are. Looking at the sheet itself, actually, yeah, I'll go ahead and carefully slide this out. So the one thing that I loved about this sheet is was able to pick up, I think it was for a couple of bucks a kit, the Snap Tight Revell kits. So the fact that it may not be the most accurate, but I mean it looks enough like an A-10 kind of a thing. And so for, I think this print scale decal sheet is less than 20 bucks, 15, 20 bucks. I'm basically able to decal up pretty much any of them, or all of them, I should say. We'll have to use some of the kit decals, or hopefully decals. I need to double check, make sure they're not all stickers. But as you can see, really pretty good artwork, pretty clear. Now this is obviously going to be super close in, closer than what you're able to normally look at. I love the bird of prey. Probably will do one with the checker tail top. So Again, if anybody's not had the chance or not really been willing to work with print scale decals, I would definitely recommend them. Personally, I've had experience building a kit with them, and in fact, after that, I actually went back online to one of my favorite eBay sellers from California that offers them, and I think picked up about 10 or 15 sets because I had such a positive experience with them. To note, they are super thin decals, so obviously take care when using them, especially with any sort of thinners, things, or I'm sorry, not thinners, but setting solutions, things like that. Definitely kind of work soft and then build in from there. But overall, again, for the price, I just can't beat them. They're not a lot of money, but yet the artwork's really clean, really good, and looks like they'll build up to be pretty good looking aircraft. So any thoughts or comments, definitely feel free to post them below, and I will catch you in the next one.